Hello, this is the RWC Tester. I'm going to turn it on right now. A biro. Start our thing. We're going to do testing Cat 6. Hit the select button. RWC certification. I'm going to plug this into the outlet down here. Hit the select button. I'm going to test. Hit the down button. We're going to be doing a solid. I'm going to go down to the solid 20. Hit the select. It's doing our test right now. Okay, now it's asking for the probe. It's marked number 3 on the wall plate. It's marked number 3 over here. You see it? I'll plug this in. It's gonna light up. Now when it gets solid light at the end, it means it passed. It just passed. Here it just said it passed. I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna save it. So I'm gonna hit the down button. I'm gonna edit test name. I'll hit select. Start fresh. Hit select. I'm gonna go, we'll just do office. And then we go back to menu. Select. Now we're gonna hit the down button. Do not ever hit the up button because it will erase it. Hit the select, save recordings, and we just saved them.